Hi, Ashmiz Amazing World is back with some more creations. Today, together, we will be creating some birthday gift ideas, and I hope you will like it. First, we will be making this very cute panda printed bag, for which I chose this cute panda which I have drawn already. You can choose any other drawing or any other animal you wish to draw. Now, it's time for coloring. The coloring process is very simple, yet we might have to use 2 coats of color sometimes, as the bag might soak a bit of color. After we are done coloring the white parts, we will start with the black parts. Remember to always use black after we color the white parts because otherwise black can mess up the drawing. Then we will make the cute eyes using black dots. Next, we will focus on our next element, that is the watermelon. After coloring the watermelon, we will give our painting a border and our cute sling bag is done. You can gift it to any of your friends. These types of gifts can be very special as you customize them specially for someone and they are made with your efforts. Let's move on to the next idea, which is even more personalized. Here we will take an A4 size paper and divide it into 8 equal parts. We are gonna need 15 equally sized papers for this. Now we will decorate the papers one by one. I am making simple designs using markers, but you can get creative with your designs. After decorating all the 15 papers, we will one by one write 15 reasons of why we like the receiver of this gift. The reasons can be anything, like the person's hobbies or any of the moments you shared together. After tying all the papers together using a thread or a ribbon, our gift will be ready. This gift can be a nice idea as it shows your love and affection to the other person and can make them feel very special. Now, let's move on to our next idea, which is definitely a card. For this, we'll need another A4 size paper and fold it into half. Then we will draw a circle in the center of the page. Write happy birthday inside the circle using marker or sketch pen. Then we will make some random floral designs around this circle. I am using watercolor to do this. After letting it dry, we will do the details using a black marker. With that, our floral birthday card is complete. This next idea is really easy to make. For this, we will need another half-folded A4 size paper. And we will draw a giant balloon using pencil. This next part is very easy, where we just have to write Happy Birthday in big fonts inside the balloon using sketch pen or marker. And the last step is to use any light color to fill our giant balloon. And our simple and easy card is ready. I hope you enjoyed all the ideas. Meet you soon. Till then, be amazing.